Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to share some valuable Ielts reading tricks to help you master this important section of the exam. So, let's get started. Tip number 1, skimming and scanning. These two techniques are essential for quickly finding information in the reading passages. Skimming involves reading the passage quickly to get a general idea, while scanning involves looking for specific keywords or phrases. Tip number 2, pay attention to the questions. Before you start reading the passage, take a few moments to carefully read the questions. This way, you'll know what information you need to search for and save time. Tip number 3, time management. The Ielts reading section can be time-pressured, so it's important to manage your time wisely. Allocate a specific amount of time to each passage in question, but don't spend too much time on one question. Keep an eye on the clock. Tip number 4, highlighting and underlining. As you read the passage, make use of highlighting and underlining to identify key points and important details. This will make it easier for you to find the information when answering the questions. Tip number 5, practice, practice, practice. The more you practice reading different types of passages, the better prepared you'll be for the exam. Familiarize yourself with the question types and practice answering them within the given time limit. To summarize, mastering the Ielts reading section requires skimming and scanning, paying attention to the questions, managing your time, highlighting and underlining, and lots of practice. We hope these tips will help you improve your reading skills and achieve a high score in the Ielts exam. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Ielts tips and tricks. Good luck on your Ielts journey.